Okay, my computer is zbook 15G2 with the processor i7-4800mq. Should be one of the fastest one of the era. 32 gigabytes of memory and Quattro K 2100M. I think it's the graphic card, and I have problems that the temperatures start to go to 100 too easily and then computer locks off. And now I will start doing Cinebench, and you can see how the processor temperature immediately jumps to 100, and that's not good. If I have something else running on the computer except SolidWorks, then I have 3 processors at 100, and then it will usually log off me from the computer. So I will try to do a test here. I do the Cinebench R20 test and see the results, and after I have the results, I have already vacuum cleaned the inside of the computer of dust. That helps a little bit, but it still does it. So I will stain and change the computer processor paste to this CG Extreme, which should be one of the best ones you can buy at the moment. It should lower about 20 Celsius, hopefully, the processor temperatures, and as you can see, it still is there at 100, and processors are working fully. But the clock speed, as you can see, they are not maximal, because there you can see what have been the max. Where is my mouse? Yeah. Max 3.7, but now it's 1000 megahertz lower at the moment. So the temperatures are too high, so I'm not getting maximum speeds. So this should get better, because I think it's 3.8 or 9 megahertz what is the maximum speed, and it was able to get to 3.5. So it's not even close to optimal. Now it's running at 2.5, 2.4 even, and temperatures are peaking all the time. So yeah, this starts to be soon ready. I get the first result, and then I will make another test if I don't break my computer with the installing the paste, and let's see if I get 10 better results. I have already done this test once, and now I get the second results for this, and let's see if we get any better. On other tests on the same matter, changing the paste, the results of the test didn't come much better, but you don't know always that how bad the situation is with the thermal paste. I think my computer situation is pretty worse, because it's all the time at 100 during this test. That's not good. Yeah, soon ready. I have also faster computer, but it's not so easy to travel with huge 900K computer, so this is the laptop I'm using at the moment for work purposes, and yeah, soon ready. Okay, final blocks coming, and the results of the test should come. Weirdly, the computer doesn't log off during this test. I got 100,125 points on the test, and now the processor temperature go back down. They go back down immediately when the workload gets less. Now I will tear the computer down and start putting the CG Extreme paste there. This is how the old paste look here on the processor, or actually this one is the graphic card and this one is the processor. Maybe there's too much of the paste here. So far it has been okay, the tear down. I got a pretty good video how to do it. I will post the link in the comments. Okay, now I have cleaned the places and I will now put a little bit of the thermal paste. Okay, now I have put the paste here with the spatula and I will put it back together. Wish me luck. At least I didn't screw it too much. The computer still starts. The resting temperature seemed to be okay. So far the max has been low and the processor speed are there, but now the test will start again. Let's see how now I press it and let's see where the temperatures go. Okay, now the program starts to do something. Previously it went to 100 Celsius immediately. Let's see what it does now. Stays at 80 and the processor speeds are now much higher at the moment. Not peak has been 3.7, which it should be, I think. And temperatures are staying lower. At the moment 50 Celsius lower, but because the actual speeds are also higher, the temperatures are much better in control and the results of the test should be much better. I will now stop it and continue when it's done the test and see the results, and then we can compare what are the actual maximum temperatures it reads and the results. But now it's like 2.8 to 3 megahertz and it was 2.5 what it was running there with the old paste. Okay, the test is now over. Temperature still 15 to 20 Celsius lower. Maximum core speeds you can see there. 3.7 megahertz. I think this was only 3.5 previously, so that has gained boost. And the average speeds also during the test were all the time much higher and the temperatures were much lower. It never went above the 85. And of course, in the speeds you also see it. Here was my previous test with the old paste, 11,025 and now 13,043. This computer test says 19% faster. So, at least in my case, it's really beneficial to change your old laptop thermal paste to this CG Extreme, or even better ones are there out there, but I use this. The spatula was quite handy to use. I got 15 to 20 Celsius lower temperatures and 19% faster computer. The time will tell, will the log off screen fault why I started to do this go away or not, but at least the computer should be about 19-20% faster, which is always good when you're doing modeling work in 3D world. The tools I needed were pretty simple. I had these tiny Torx. It's Torx number 8. So very tiny Torx. Then one flathead screwdriver and very tiny Phillips head. And those were the tools, and then some magnet picker also. Yeah, that's what I used for this work. And from my education, I'm an automotive engineer. Challenging tasks were the flat connectors for the wires under there. A few of them were tricky. That's why I didn't yet put the keyboard back on, because I wasn't sure will these all work. But at the moment it seems they work, so I can close it and case is closed. Thanks for watching and keep tuning your computers.